kita ko sa inyo guys saan pag limpyo sa filter sa drain sa atong washing machine. May tubig hindi
Our thing is
dahil
broken.
bara yung filter
Washer.
una i-drain muna natin yung tubig lahat para pag open sa filter niya hindi maano yung tubig. Marami pa yan, kailangan i-drain lahat yan bago natin kalawin yung drain filter sa washing machine natin. Kailangan kunin natin lahat na tubig
We do
na
like a
natira
timeless
dun.
thing. No.
Kasi baka kumalat sa sahig natin. Ayan. Tapos balik. Kunan natin ulit ng tubig hanggang sa maubos lahat.
We're using what's that styrofoam bowl now because the thing's too big. I don't know. It's dripping. It's almost gone. We just pulled out the filter. There's pencil, hair, and coin.
Pencil. Tapos mga na nakaumot.
So much hair on it.
Bas.
I mean, I can plug it out. Did you take it off there or no? Maybe we can like take it off and wash it.
Konting dito.
Okay.
Ay, ano, ipot na.
I still go to maternal. Nice sticker. Yeah, we're gonna start like taking out everything. Your camera is like so high quality.
Yeah.
It's better than the iPhone. I'm gonna let them see. That came from there. Do we still need to clean that part? Do we still need to clean that part right there?
Yeah. Wow, bakyan ko.
Okay.
Now it works. Just filter. That's how we clean the pump filter.